ByteDance-owned TikTok plans to keep paying US employees even if the Supreme Court does not overturn a law that would in fact force the sale of the short video app in the US or ban it. The company's leadership said in an internal memo reviewed by Reuters on Tuesday. Now, the hugely popular platform is owned by China-based ByteDance and has around 7,000 employees only in the US. Last week, the US Supreme Court seemed inclined to uphold the law, which was passed in April last year, despite calls from US President-elect Donald Trump and lawmakers to extend the January 19 deadline. The tribunal has ruled that Apple and Amazon have successfully fought off a mass lawsuit in Britain over alleged collusion between the tech giants to remove the resellers of new Apple products from Amazon's website. The lawsuit was brought by consumer law academic Christine Riefa on behalf of around 36 million British consumers who had bought Apple or Beats products. According to reports, Microsoft is planning to halt hiring in parts of its consulting business in the US in a bid to cut costs. The tech giant is looking to manage overall expenses as it looks to continue investments in its AI efforts. Earlier this month, Microsoft said it planned to invest about $80 billion in fiscal 2025 on developing data centers to train AI models and deploy AI and cloud-based applications. A half-dozen trader groups from the semiconductor and manufacturing industries sent a private letter to US President Joe Biden complaining that the new export controls expected this week were rushed through without consulting them. The Biden administration, for perspective, on Monday released regulations on where computing chips from NVIDIA, in fact, can be placed around the world, setting up a three-tier system in which most nations will need to obtain licenses to build AI data centers with US chips. OpenAI is stepping into the virtual assistant space, introducing a new beta feature called Tasks for ChatGPT. This tool allows users to schedule future actions like reminders for concert ticket sales or daily updates on weather and news. ChatGPT can also suggest tasks based on user interactions, though users can choose to accept or decline them. With this move, OpenAI aims to compete with established virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, as Amazon has also updated Alexa with generative AI capabilities to keep pace in the ever-evolving market.